Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Hypervisor Launcher error and the driver could not be loaded on PC. In this video, seeing before you begin, like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It is usually happening in this error, so we can fix by using these 4 steps or 3 steps. Let's go ahead with that first step. Restart your system. So go to the desktop. Click on the start menu and choose the power button. Click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. Then relaunch the game and check it. If this type 2 does not working, then go to the try the next step, disable Hyper-V. So we need Windows search bar, then type Windows Future. You can click on this software and go to unselect the Hyper-V and virtual machine platform. So here already unselect the virtual machine platform. If there is select the Windows Hypervisor platform, just unselect, then hit the OK to save. After that, come to back, then again go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Recheck your game. Sometimes if this type 2 does not working, then go to the next step, disable for isolation. Try this method. So we need Windows security. So search the Windows security. We will click on it. Then you can click on the virus and threat protection. Then you can choose click to manage settings. Here you can see if the serial type protection is turn it on, simply turn it off temporary. After that again turn it on. Now just turn it off. Then come to back. Then again restart your system and recheck your game. Sometimes this method work it. Sometimes if this type 2 does not working, then only we can go to try the next step, enable the virtualization. So like you can go to that start menu and click on the power button and plus shift plus restart button, click here. Then click to go to that advanced system settings. Then go to click at the BIOS. After that you come to here, you can see Intel virtualization technology. Just click to enable it. After that you restart your system, then relaunch the game. It have solved this problem. If you have any doubt, go to the comment section, comment, leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.